you made it to step 1. Awesome. So first step is you need to have an online presence, right? So I'm going to offer you a free website platform where you can build your websites and sales funnels online for free. There's also another option where you can get the premium account for $1. It's a special deal my CEO is brought out because of the COVID-19, and many people have to learn or start or to work online, right? How to make money out from home. So with the premium account, you're going to get unlimited access to all 30 online marketing tools, including the Sales Funnel Club. Let's have a little look inside my dashboard. So these are all the apps you would get with the premium account for $1. Special deal right now. And for the basic account, you're going to get the website builder, including the super checkout. So therefore you can take payments online, as well as 100 email subscribers with the our email autoresponder that's built in. With the premium account, you get unlimited email subscribers. So plus all of these, WordPress, e-commerce, all these different social media and different apps kind of thing, as well as magazine builder, mockup studio, videos, images, you name it. Also SEO, you can have VA access, the whole shebang. And then this is basically the funnel club, which is like done for you websites and sales funnels. So scroll down. These are for Builderall, which you'll see in step 2, which is the free affiliate program. So and there's new ones of these being added all the time. So say that you want it, for dentists. You just kind of, to get your own clients for online, to build their websites or sales funnels. All right, there we go. There's the dentist one, right? And then you just have to click that and just edit with their information. So there's lots and lots and lots of these. And new ones are being added all the time. All right. Whoops, over here. And then these are the free bonuses I'm throwing in there. So this is bonus number 1 for your the free or the $1 account. You'll get a freelance video course showing you all the different ways you can work online using Builderall. And then this is for the $1 account, bonus number 2, a website video course. So show you how to build a good website. But like I said, with Builderall, it makes it even easier. And for every app in Builderall, there's tutorials and showing you how to use each tool. And then bonus number 3 for the $1 account is an SEO video course. So you need to search engine optimize to get found on Google or Bing or whatever search engine you use. Okay, so you're going to get all that for $1. For the free account, you're going to get this one for free. Okay, all you have to do is reply to one of my emails with the same account that you use Builderall on to register with, and I will email it over to you. Okie dokie. So your choice, what you want to use. We do have 5 different plans. So starting with, like I said, starting with the premium account, then you can see what you need and what you use, and then go from there. And like I said, the basic account, it will always be free, and that's for your website builder and 100 email subscribers. Okay, see you step 2. All right. Stay safe, peeps.